Today we're making some cheesy chicken and rice casserole. Here I have a rotisserie chicken deboned, and then I'm going to add in a 10.5 ounce can of Campbell's poultry pudding, along with a 10 or 12 ounce container of French onion dip and 4 cups of cooked rice. You can use any type of rice that you like. The recipe that I use is on the screen. Then give that a super good mix, then add in 16 ounces of shredded Colby Jack cheese, and I do suggest freshly shredded Colby Jack cheese. Then transfer this to a 13x9 casserole dish, then top this with some cheese. I normally reserve a little bit of Colby Jack, but I forgot, so today I'm using some fresh Parmesan. Then pop that hoe in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. And that's about it, y'all. This chicken and rice casserole is done. This is a great meal prep casserole because there's enough food here for 3 to 4 days, which is great because I have a lot going on this week, so